Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Task Scheduler not running tasks on Windows 11. First, click on the Windows search and type Services. Then open the Services app. Scroll down and find Task Scheduler. Right-click on it and select Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic. If the service is not running, click Start. Then click Apply and OK. Now open Task Scheduler from the search. Find the task that is not running. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Conditions tab and uncheck the option that says Start the task only if the computer is idle. This allows the task to run at any time. Next, move to the Settings tab. Enable the option that says Run task as soon as possible after a scheduled start is missed. This ensures the task runs even if it was skipped earlier. Then check the option for when the task is already running and set it to run a new instance in parallel if needed. Finally, fix any system file issues. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type sfc/scano and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete and repair any corrupted files. Once everything is done, restart your computer and check if the task is now running properly. Thanks for watching.